Vedas clearly describe how these multiple dimensions manifested. Ekoham bahushyamaha. Listen. Let my one become many to celebrate me. It actually goes further, and this one verse if you are in that depth level of logic, you will understand this one verse. Let my one become many, not my oneness. Understand? Oneness never becomes many. Aham. He is not saying ekam bahushyamaha. No, ekoham bahushyamaha. Aham can always only be one. Let that one become many. Listen to every word I am talking, because I am going to give you solution for almost all your problems based on this one fundamental principle. When he decided to become many to celebrate himself, all the dimensions of this universe opened. Understand, your whole life is nothing but you deciding. See, at one point in your mother's womb, you decide, Ekoham bahushyamaha. Only then you open the womb where you were residing for 10 months and come out. But after that, everything is mess. That is different. Listen. Many times you will hear me saying, whenever you have a problem, always see how your ideal, your guru will handle this. I used this as a technique when I was young. I always used to connect. Whenever I have a problem, Annamalai Swamigal was the ideal for me. Ramana Maharshi's disciple. First thing I will say, how Annamalai Swamigal will handle this? Of course, after Arunagiri Yogeshwara happened, he became the ideal. Then I will always look how Arunagiri Yogeshwara would have handled this. Have this one understanding how Sadashiva will handle this. The moment the one became many, all the problems you have, he also started having. Don't think he does not have a problem. Yes, all the organizational problems you have, relationship problems you have, everything you have, yes. He solved it. You have not. That's all. If you understand this one principle, let me repeat once more. For example, this cup. Inside this cup there is a space. That is aham. The space inside the cup is connected to this cup. This whole thing can become multiple, but the space itself cannot become multiple. Anything which has become multiple as the source of oneness inside them. Listen carefully. Anything which has become multiple as a source of oneness in them, oneness has not become many, only one became many. Aham associated with oneness, one associated with oneness has become many, but continue to be filled by the oneness. Understand carefully. There are multiple me's, but there is only one mummy. There are multiple ones, but there is only one oneness. Mahadeva is very clear. My one become many, not me become many. Not my oneness become many. Oneness remains as oneness. That is what is the meaning of the verse. Purnamata purnamidam purnat purnamudachyate. Even after the whole removed from the whole remains as whole. Understand? I can give two-layer meaning. W-H-O-L-E and H-O-L-E. If the whole H-O-L-E is removed from H-O-L-E, H-O-L-E remains as H-O-L-E. W-H-O-L-E removed from the W-H-O-L-E continues to remain as W-H-O-L-E.